Hi, good evening. Today we are going to discuss about ratio and proportion. So coming to first, ratio. What is the meaning of ratio? So ratio is nothing but if two quantities A and B is there in the same units, means if A is centimeters, B is also in centimeters. If in case A is in meters, B is also in meters. Means we are taking two quantities. The two quantities must be in the same units. At the time, we are writing the fraction like this. So A by B. So A by B can be written like ratio means A is to B. So in the ratio A is to B, so A is called the first term or antecedent. So and B is called the second term or consequent. So next is a proportion. So proportion is nothing but equating the two ratios. So if A is to B is one ratio and C is to D is another ratio. So we are equating these two ratio. So like this, A is to B is equal to C is to D. So this is nothing but the proportion. So okay, proportion can be represented by four dots. Okay, so A is to B, in between C is to D, you must write four dots are equal to. These two are the relating the proportion symbol. Okay, so A is to B is equal to C is to D, or A is to B proportion C is to D. We say that A, B, C, D are in proportion. Means, so the first A and D are the extremes, and the middle terms B and C are called the mean terms. Okay, and the four are in proportion is nothing but A is to B is equal to C is to D. That is the meaning of proportion. At that time, the one formula is exist, that is nothing but product of extreme ends is equal to product of mean terms. So that is A into D is equal to B into C. So the product of extreme ends is equal to product of mean terms. So this formula is exist if the four, it means A, B, C, D are in proportion. At the time only this formula is exist. So this is if and only if condition. If A, B, C, D are in proportion, then the condition is exist, that is A into D, product of extreme ends is equal to product of mean terms B into C. If this condition is exist, in case the condition is exist, so A into D is equal to B into C, means A, B, C, D are in proportion. So here if and only if condition is exist. After that, coming to next one, fourth proportional. So if they are given A is to B is equal to C is to D, means A, B, C, D are in proportional. At that time, the last term, fourth term D is called the fourth proportion. Okay. So coming to next, what is the third proportional? So here A is to B is equal to B is to C is there. Means A, B, C, D are in proportion. At that time B is repeated, the middle term is repeated. So we should write A is to B is equal to B is to C. So the last term is nothing but that is the third term. So C is called the third proportion. Okay. Next is mean proportional. So mean proportional between A and B is square root of AB. Okay, next compound ratio. Compounded ratio is nothing but if they are given three proportional. One is A is to B, comma C is to D, comma E is to F. So what is the compounded ratio of these three ratios means product of first terms in each ratio is to product of second terms in each ratio. So that is nothing but ACE is to BDF is the compounded ratio of remaining ratios. Okay, next is the duplicate ratio. So if they are given A is to B, so what is the duplicate ratio of A is to B means squaring of the ratio. So A square is to B square. If they are given 2 is to 3 means what is the duplicate ratio of 2 is to 3? 2 square is to 3 square. Okay. Next, subduplicate ratio. So if they are given A is to B is a ratio, so the subduplicate ratio of A is to B is square root of A is to square root of B. Got it? So coming to next, triplicate ratio. So triplicate is nothing but name is called triple. Triple is 3. So a cube is to, if a is to b is a ratio, a cube is to b cube is the triplicate ratio of the given ratio. Okay. What is subtriplicate ratio? So cubed root of the ratio is nothing but the subtriplicate. If for suppose a is to b is a ratio, so cubed root of a is to cubed root of b is nothing but the subtriplicate ratio of ab. A is to b. Okay. So this is the brief introduction about ratio and proportion. So coming to the next, problems related to ratios and proportions. So coming to first question, here the question is given. So if A is to B is equal to 5 is to 9 and B is to C is equal to 4 is to 7. And they're asking to find A is to B is to C. So first write down the given ratios. A is to B is equal to 5 is to 9 and B is to C is equal to 4 is to 7. So we need to find out here A is to B is to C. So how to do this means just simple. First write down what we need to find. A is to B is to C. After that, what we know the given ratios, write down A is to B is equal to 5 is to 9 now. So in place of A is to B, write down 5 is to 9 is to C. We don't know C value. So in next, write down B is to C ratio is equal to 4 is to 7. In place of B, write down 4 is to, in place of C, write down 7. Okay. Here we don't know what is the value of A. So coming to first one, so C value we don't know. Previously, what is the value is there? 9. So you must write that value in place of C also. So write 9 in place of C. Okay. So coming to next, here we don't know A. So next immediate value, what is there? Next immediate value is 4. You must write 4 here. So after writing all the ratios, so you must multiply the A values and multiply the B values and multiply the C values. So 5 fours are 20 is to 9 fours are 36 is to 9 sevens are 63. So this is the ratio. This is nothing but A is to B is to C is equal to 20 is to 36 is to 63 is the our ratio. Okay. So coming to next question. So here the question is given under second main, first one, find the fourth proportional to 4, 9, 12. So here three numbers is given. So we don't know what is the fourth one. So in place of fourth one, let us assume some x. So 4, 9, 12. So the given values are a, b, c, d, but d is not given. So let us assume in place of d some x. So our target is to find out the fourth proportion. So already they are given these four are in proportion means we know one condition for all are in proportion means product of extremes is equal to product of means. So product of extremes is nothing but A into D is equal to product of means is nothing but B into C. So A into D is nothing but A into 4 into X is equal to 9 into 12. So what is the X value here? X is equal to 9 into 12 by 4. So X is equal to 9 into 3. So X is equal to 9 3s are 27. So this is the X value. So 27 is nothing but the fourth proportional. Okay. So coming to next question here, find the third proportional to 16 and 36. So find the third proportional to 16 and 36. So under second main, second one. Okay. So they are given 16 and 36 and they are asking to find out third proportion. Okay. Third proportion. So in the previous video already I told if finding the third proportion means under the b value, so middle value is repeated. So here this is a and this is b, c is nothing but third proportional. So how to write a comma b comma b comma c? So write here also 16 comma 36 comma 36 comma in place of c, c is nothing but the third proportional. This is the repeated value now. So this is the second proportional and this is the third proportional c. So in place of third proportional we don't know. We need to find first. So here we know these four are in proportional, means the product of extremes and the product is equal to the product of mean terms. So x into 16 or 16 into x is equal to 36 into 36 or 36 square, because that is repeated number now. So now here we need to find the x value here. So x is equal to 36 into 36 divided by 16. So here I will cancel with 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 9s are. Again 4 4s are 4 9s are. So x is equal to 9 into 9, that is nothing but x is equal to 81. So this is the third proportional. Okay. I'm coming to next question. Here they are asking, find the mean proportional between these two numbers 0.08 and 0.18. So third question, what is given 0.08 and 0.18. So find the mean proportional. So if let us assume this is A and this is B, so mean proportional formula is equal to square root of AB. So we know that. So that is equal to, substitute in place of A 0.08 and in place of B 0.18. Understood? So here, so two numbers are given in decimal numbers. So how to solve this type of how to solve the square root for this type of numbers means, just convert first this decimal number into fraction. This is also into fraction. That is easy now. So 8 by, after point how many digits are there? 2 digits. So write 100. So into, so 18 by, after point here also 2 digits are just. So in the denominator write down 100. So okay, square root of 8 into 18 into 8 how much? 18 8s are 144. 18 8s are 144 divided by 10,000. So 100 into 100, 10,000. So everyone know the square root of 144 is actually 12, means 12 square by, this is 100 square. So this is nothing but 12 by 100. So is nothing but 0.12. So this is our answer. So this is the mean proportional for the given two numbers. Okay, I hope understood. So coming to next question. So here they are asking to find 4x plus 5y is to 5x minus 2y, but they are already given x is to y is equal to 3 is to 5. So okay, so just it is very easy. So just write down first what is given. X is to y is given some 3 is to 4, and they are asking to find out 4x plus 5y is to 5x minus 2y. Okay, how to solve this means this x is to y is nothing but x by y is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, so ratio is nothing but fraction. Fraction is can be written in the form of ratio also. So now, so this is also right like this. So 4x plus 5y divided by 5x minus 2y. So convert this into this way, x by y form. Okay, for that take y is a common here. So y is a common means 4x by y plus y plus 5. So divided by, take y here also common. So 5, here only x is there. So x by y you can write, and minus 2, y is already common. So only you can write 2 here. So now y gets cancelled. Now we know the x by y value is 3 by 4. So substitute here. 4 into 3 by 4 plus 5 divided by 5 into 3 by 4 minus 2. So okay, here 4 gets cancelled. Okay now. So coming to next. So 3 plus 5 divided by 5 3s are 15 by 4 minus 2. Okay. So coming to next step, 3 plus 5 is nothing but 8 by, so here 15 by 4 minus 2 is there, take the LCM 4. So 15 minus 2 4s are 8. Okay, so take this 4 into the numerator. So 8 into 4 by 15 minus 8, how much? 15 minus 8, 7. So is equal to 8 4s are 32 by 7. So this is the answer. So that is nothing but 32 is to 7. Okay, so this ratio 4x plus 5y is to 5x minus 2y is equal to 32 is to 7. Coming to next question, the fourth one is the question. Coming to question, divide 672 rupees in the ratio 5 is to 3. Okay, what is the amount here? 672. What is the ratio is given? 5 is to 3. So this is nothing but, so if some amount is there, so you can distribute this amount, this amount to two persons, person A and person B, in the ratio 5 is to 3. So how to distribute means, so for A we will distribute 5 parts in the this total amounts, 5 parts. For B, so 5 parts in the total amount. And coming to B, we should distribute 3 parts. So because 5 is to 3 ratio is given, so 3 parts from the given total amount. Okay, means A's amount, A's share is 5 parts in the total amount, B's share is 3 parts in the total amount. Okay, so 5 parts in the total means what is the total ratio here? So sum of ratio is nothing but 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. These the total parts. Okay, so in total parts, in total 8 parts, A share is 5 parts. In total 8 parts, B share is 3 parts. Okay, so A share divided by total parts into what is the total amount. Okay, this is related to A's share. Okay, now coming to B, B's share is equal to, how many B parts are there? 3. Divided by how many total parts? 8 into total amount.
So calculate this and then you get the answer 420. This is the 420 and this is the 252 rupees. Is nothing but rupees. Okay. So this is the 420 rupees. A share is 420 rupees in total amount and B share is 252 rupees in total amount. Okay, if you should add these two, you get 672. If you don't get 672 after adding these two, your answer is wrong. Okay. So this is our answer. Coming to next fifth question. It is also easy because this is also similar to fourth one only. So here divide some amount is 1162 among A, B, C in the given ratio is 35 is to 28 is to 20. So first add that sum of ratios and that is 83, and then second A's share is, so total amount into what is the A part here 35, so 35 divided by total parts. Okay, you get the A share. So coming to B share, total amount into what is the B share, B ratio here 28. 28 by what is the total parts 83. So you get the B share. Okay. Coming to C share, here also total amount into how many parts for C here 20 divided by what is the total parts 83. You get the C's share. Okay. So coming to next question, this is the most important question. Okay. A bag containing 50 pies, 25 pies and 10 pies coins in the ratio 5 is to 9 is to 4 amounting to 206 rupees. Find the number of coins in each type. So if they are given 50 pies and 25 pies and 10 pies coins in a bag, okay, in a bag contains 50 pies coin and 25 pies coin and 10 pies coin is there. Okay, in a bag. So the total amount in the bag is 206 rupees is given. So how many coins are there in the bag? Okay. So how many number of coins of each type means 50 pies coins, how many are there? 25 pies coins, how many are there? 10 pies coins, how many are there? So then when you get 206 rupees, okay, this is the question. So and one more thing is here given, the ratio is given related to 50 pies, 25 pies and 10 pies. So what is the ratio means 5 is to 9 is to 4. So if let us assume, so this is 5x coins are there, 9x coins are there and 4x coins are there. Okay. So the sum of these coins means 5x plus 9x plus and 4x is equal to the sum of coins is given 209 rupees. Okay, it is in rupees now. So you must convert, this is 5x related to 50 pies, 9x related to 25 pies coins and 4x related to 10 pies coins. Understood now? So 50 pies, how many 50 pies coins can be converted into rupees, because this total is given, sum is given in the rupees, so you must write here also total in rupees. Okay, how to write means, so 5x into how many 50 pies coins are placed, you get the you convert into rupees means just 1 rupee is equal to 250 pies coins. Understood? 1 rupee is equal to 250 pies coins. So 150 pies coin is equal to how many rupees? 1 by 2 rupees. Understood now? So in place of this is related to 50 pice coins. Okay. So actually we are multiplying here into 50 pice coin, here into 25 pice coin, into 10 pice coins. Okay, actually we multiply this and this, this and this, this and this, but here rupees is given, so you must convert pice into rupees. So 150 pice coin is equal to 1 by 2 rupees. So here write down 1 by 2. So it is total in rupees. Now convert this also in rupees. So 9x into, so 1 rupee is equal to 425 pice coins. Okay, so 125 pice coin is equal to 1 by 4 rupees. So write down here 1 by 4 plus same apply that process only. In place of 10 pice you must write 1 by 10 because 1 rupee is equal to 10 pice coins. So is equal to 209. Okay, here 4 2 2s are 2 5s are. So write down 5x by 2 plus 9x by 4 plus 2x by 5 total is equal to 209. Understood? So now take the LCM here. So what is the LCM for these numbers? So 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So 20 is the LCM here. Take here 20. So when we get here 22, 10s are 20. So 5x into 10 plus 9x into, when we get 20 here, 4 5s are. So into 5 plus 2x into, when we get here 20. So 5 4s are. So 4 is equal to 209. So take this into this side. So finally 50x plus 45x plus this is 8x is equal to 209 into 20. Okay, so how many, after adding x's, how many x's are there? 50 45 95 plus 8 103 x is equal to 209 into 20. So x is equal to 209 into 20 by 103. Okay, so by mistake I'm writing here 209, actually value is 206. So after writing 206, this is the 206. So 103 ones are 103 twos are. So this is 40. So x value is 40. So okay, x value is 40, but we know the 50 pice coins are 5x 50 pice coins are there, and 9x 25 pice coins are there, and 4x 10 pice coins are there. So in place of x substitute 40, you get the number of 50 pice coins. Okay, number of 50 pice coins. So substitute in place of x 40, you get the number of 25 pice coins. Here substitute in place of x 40, you get the number of 10 pice coins. Here how many 50 pice coins is there? 5 4s are 20, 200. 9 4s are 36, and 4 4s are 60. So this much 50 pice coins and 360 25 pice coins and 160 10 pice coins are there in the bag. Okay.